make ready.
Although that grip was kind of really, yeah. Well, no, I was just surprised at how poor the finish of it was.
Oh, yeah. That just slip on. I mean, because you know adapting a round butt down to a square. Shooting's ready. Stand by.
Good job, baby.
Oh, that was our holster. Yeah.
No, not yet.
Wait.
Not clear.
Good night.